creative mind, welcome home. I'm Survival, and today I will be taking you in a form of introductory class to this free musical training. But before we start, I would like to ask you, why do you want to learn the piano? The answer is best known to you. I have my own reason for learning this instrument. So now, what is your own reason for wanting to learn how to play this musical instrument? My own reason is very simple. I love music. Music touches my soul, it moves me, it touches my innermost heart. That is why I love music and I learned as many instruments as possible. The journey you are about to begin is not that easy, but it's simple. It's something that you can achieve. But the worst mistake you will make now is to stop along the line. Once you stop along the line, that will be a very bad way to start. So now I encourage you every day, give your piano at least 1 hour of your time. That will help you to improve, and before you know it, people will be like, wow, you play very well. You yourself will be surprised if they are actually referring to you. That is what constant practice can do. So I encourage you, as we start this journey of learning this musical instrument, don't stop halfway. Give your piano at least 30 minutes or 1 hour of your time daily, and just watch, and you'll be surprised at which you grow. It's not all sweet. Sometimes you feel bored, sometimes you don't enjoy it. Don't give up, just continue. At the end, you will rejoice, you will enjoy your hard work. So thank you. So that will be the end of the introduction. Get ready for the class soon. Thank you.